Hi everyone, it's the weekend, so I thought I would film a cleaning motivation video. It's my only day off. I actually work Monday through Friday at a full-time job, and then on the weekends, at once or twice a month, I like to pick up an extra shift at the nursing home. So since it's my only day off and I don't want to spend it cleaning all day, I thought I would do a power hour. So I have about an hour. I'm going to have coffee with my sister, Melba. Her channel name here on YouTube is Witchcraft Wednesday, but we're going down the street to have some coffee. Actually, it's more than down the street. It's actually the next town over, but we're going to have some coffee at this really cute coffee shop that we found. It's an old house that they turned into a coffee shop, so I'll try to take some pictures so you can see that. And I'm also going to try to talk her into going to Home Goods because I have a $25 gift certificate from my cousin that she gave for my birthday. Thanks, Dell. And to Ulta because I have a 20% off coupon. So she doesn't know that yet, but we'll see what happens. So I already had my quiet time this morning. I've had time for prayer and to write in my gratitude journal and also some coffee. And as you can see my list here on the arm of the chair, I'm ready to go. So I don't know how many of you follow Holly Christine here on YouTube, but she has a series on the law of attraction that I really enjoy. And I thought you guys might like that as well. It's not a collaboration or anything, but it's something that I really enjoy. So I'm gonna link her channel in my description box if you want to go check out her law of attraction series. Okay, so it's exactly 10 a.m. Let's see how much we can get accomplished. I would say we have fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please. So I got this little fuzzy duster from Amazon. I just love it because it's extendable and so I can reach places that I wouldn't normally be able to reach. Breaking open, then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And once again, my side is a disaster. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. And you say, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. I really do like the way the Jaws granite cleaner smells. It's so clean and fresh without being overpowering. To cry
Yes, you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blind, so blind. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survive, survive. Now you're all gone, gone, my friend. Bigger ghosts will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it, I never lost it, I never lost it, baby. Bigger ghosts will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it, I never lost it. Bigger ghosts will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it, I never lost it, I never lost it, baby. Bigger ghosts will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it, I never lost it.
On the run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads.
So there you go, all done. It took me just a few minutes, over an hour. I was very happy with that. I was able to finish before my sister came to pick me up. We did go to several stores after the coffee shop, but I'm going to film that in a separate haul video because it got a little bit too late. We took way too long, but we had a great time. Okay, so I said it was a house. It's actually an old gas station. So cute. I had the hot snickerdoodle latte. Oh, so delicious.